Welcome to Booked Up English. I'm Susan and I teach children English. In 2020, I am focusing on reading skills. This will help your child read and write better in English. Today, we will learn a red word. Red words are special because we stop to think about them. They are very common in English. We will do 4 things to learn these words. Listen. Say, spell, write. You will need a notebook and a pencil. If you have a red pencil or marker, that is best for today's lesson. Are you ready? Let's go. Today's special red word is to. Listen. To, to, to. To. We use our arm to help our brain stop and think. This is called arm tapping. Let's spell in English. T-O, to. T-O, to. T-O, to. Let's write. T-O, to. T-O, to. T-O, to. Thanks for learning today. Review the letters and short vowel sounds in previous videos. You can also practice using your notebook or flashcards. That will help you. See you soon.